As the number of connected vehicles continues to grow, the transportation industry is focused on leveraging vehicle data to create new value for consumers and stakeholders. From real-time operational insights and predictive maintenance to new business models and revenue streams, the opportunities are endless. The challenge becomes reducing the cost and complexity of collecting, transmitting, storing, and analyzing large amounts of data to find the value in a sea of ones and zeros. Leveraging expertise in connectivity, data collection, and software systems, Ricardo has developed a dynamic data logger that solves for bandwidth and compute constraints, connected service availability, and data fidelity.
So we found that different OEMs have different strategies for data collection in the vehicle. We see everything from opposite ends of the spectrum. One end being you have almost no ability to collect data from a vehicle, to the other end of the spectrum where you're trying to collect almost everything from the vehicle and directly sending it to the cloud. Along with it, you probably find that you have bad data. And for any given use case, you probably will find that 95% of that data actually isn't applicable to what it is you're looking for. So we felt that there would be maybe some more smarter, more intelligent ways of going about acquiring the data.
There are three main advantages of using the Ricardo Dynamic Data Logger services. First, the logger collects highly targeted data streams, the desired data from specific controllers under specific conditions. This reduces the amount and cost of data to transmit, store, and analyze. Second, it enables users to dynamically change the data collected based on need, from predicting or solving problems to improving product designs. Queries can be altered in near real time to better isolate value in the dataset. Third, the logger better leverages available bandwidth by targeting specific sensors with customized, localized, high sample rate data gathering, virtually eliminating the potential to bog down communications with erroneous streams of data. Ricardo's Dynamic Data Logger service is operational in both connected and unconnected vehicles. It's vehicle and architecture agnostic, can run on a standalone mobile application, or can be integrated into the vehicle telemetry system. One specific use case is collecting higher quality, targeted data sets to predict failures, accelerate root cause analysis, and increase uptime for commercial vehicles.
So I'm going to send the application a new query as an SMS text message. I'm going to send it from this phone here. I've sent the message. Once the SMS is received by the phone, you see it get added to the list. You see it say it's saved the query. So we can see the one criteria is met, which is the steering wheel. The throttle criteria is not met, so I'll go ahead and apply some throttle. It gets to a certain level, it will turn to a 1, and then you can see it started recording the query. Now, so long as these criteria are met for the specified amount of time, it will continue to keep logging. Started recording another log file because the criteria is still met. And then I'll take my foot off the gas. You'll see that one of the criteria is not met, and therefore it stops recording the query. Now I can go ahead, look at the log files recorded, select one of the log files, and I can just email that wherever I please.
Ricardo brings data processing to the edge, enabling the collection of higher quality, higher fidelity data needed to create real value in future vehicles and increase the value of vehicles already in deployment.